In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone that won't restart. So if you're trying to restart your iPhone but for some reason you can't interact with the screen, and then you may need to do a forced restart. So to do this, you simply want to press the volume up button, then you want to press the volume down button, and then you want to press and hold the power button until the Apple logo reappears. So to do that, you want to press volume up, volume down, and then you want to press and hold the power button. You will see this screen, and then you want to keep pressing and holding the power button until the screen turns off. As you can see, the iPhone screen has turned off, however you still want to keep pressing the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can then stop pressing the power button and your iPhone will successfully restart. As you can see, the iPhone has successfully restarted, so we can go ahead and unlock it, and we can start using the iPhone just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.